Though the Chancellor's job is only ceremonial, the induction of a new Chancellor is a significant moment for the university to look back. What was wrong in the past, and also to look at the present. What is wrong on campus? What has gone wrong in the last few days and the last few months on campus? But more importantly, to reflect on the future. How do we create a campus of affirmation, a campus of inclusivity, a campus where learning and teaching, knowledge production, research output takes place, where everyone feels affirmed and reinvested in what they're doing, especially the young people. For me as Chancellor, these last 2 years of COVID years have been years of learning, and the high points for me have been meeting young people, meeting the distinguished scholars at Stellenbosch University, but most joyously, the graduations. Graduations which have become, in these last 2 years, more and more uitbundig, more exuberant, where people celebrate what is being achieved at this university, knowing that every graduate is a promise of our country's future.